Hello and welcome. My name is Martijn Lampert. I'm Research Director at Glocalities. We conduct international research into values, cultures and lifestyles. In the light of the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum that was held last week in Davos, we released a study into 25 countries researching the trust and distrust in the World Economic Forum in Davos. It actually was the first global study into this topic. What we found was that 39% of people globally distrust the World Economic Forum and 27% do have trust in the World Economic Forum. People who distrust the World Economic Forum are more often living in advanced economies in Europe, including Switzerland. And they worry about the gap between the rich and the poor, about freedom of expression and corruption. People who do trust the World Economic Forum have a totally different outlook on life and have high levels of trust in institutions in general. In the study, we paid attention to their values, their worries, and the opportunities that they see for themselves, but also for the world. At the World Economic Forum, there were discussions about the future of the world, the economy, the environment, and our societies. If you want to learn more about the study and about the people who trust or distrust the World Economic Forum in Davos, you can find out more on our website www.glocalities.com/WEF.